Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Persian fast. Basic conversations for daily life. Beginner-friendly. Before we begin, let me tell you something important. You are not here to memorize a language. You are here to feel it, to hear it, to speak it naturally. And tonight, you will begin doing exactly that. No pressure, no stress, just listening, repeating, absorbing. And by the end of this, Persian will already feel more familiar, more natural. So relax, take a slow breath in, and gently breathe out. Let your mind open, and simply follow along. We begin with something simple, a greeting. In Persian, you say, salam. Repeat softly. Salam. This means hello, a word you can use anytime. Now again. Salam. Good. Now, let's make it more natural. When you meet someone, you might say, Salam, halet chetore? It means, hello, how are you? Repeat slowly. Halet chetore. Again. Salam. Halet chetore. Very good. Now listen to the answer. Man khubam. It means, I am good. Repeat. Khubam. Again. Man khubam. Now let's build a small conversation. Listen. Salam. Halet chetore? Man khubam. Mamnoon. Mamnoon means thank you. Repeat. Mamnoon. Again. Mamnoon. Now together. Salam. Halet chetore? Man khubam. Mamnoon. Perfect. Now let's slow it down and feel the rhythm. Persian is smooth, flowing, almost musical. Let it flow naturally. Now, let's learn how to say, nice to meet you. Khoshbakhtam. Repeat. Khosh, bakh, tam. Again. Khoshbakhtam. Now, imagine meeting someone new. You say, Salam. Khoshbakhtam. Feel how natural that becomes. Now, let's continue. If you want to ask someone's name, you say, Esme shoma chiye? It means, what is your name? Repeat slowly. Esme shoma chiye. Again. Esme shoma chiye? Now answer. Esme man means my name is. Add your name. Repeat. Esme man. Good. Now let's continue building. If you want to be polite, you say Lotfan, which means please. Repeat. Lotfan. And again. Lotfan. Now, let's learn something useful for daily life. If you want something, you can say, Lotfan, in romedid. It means, please, can you give me this? Repeat slowly. Lotfan, in romedid. Again. Lotfan, in romedid. Very good. Now let's continue with something important. Understanding. If you don't understand something, you can say Nemifahmam. It means I don't understand. Repeat. Nemifahmam. Again. Nemifahmam. And if you do understand, مفهمم. Repeat. مفهمم. Good. Now let's bring everything together. Imagine a simple interaction. You meet someone. Salam. Halet chetore? They respond, Hubam. Mamnoon. You say, Khoshbakhtam. Esme shoma chiye? They answer, and you reply, Esme man. Feel that flow. That's real conversation. Simple, natural. And now it's becoming part of you. Without effort, without stress, just repetition, just listening, just absorbing. Now, let's slow everything down. Let the words settle. Salam. Halet chetore? Hubam. Mamnoon. Khoshbakhtam. Esme shoma chiye? Esme man. Lotfan. Nemifahmam. Mifahmam. Each word. Esme man. Lotfan. Nemifahmam. Mifahmam. Each word becoming more familiar, more natural, more yours. You are learning. Even now, your brain is building connections, storing sounds, recognizing patterns. And with every repetition, you improve. Effortlessly. Naturally. Now, take a slow breath and relax deeper. Let these words settle into your mind. There is no rush, no pressure, just calm learning and quiet progress. You are becoming more confident, more comfortable, more fluent. One word at a time, one phrase at a time. And this is only the beginning.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.